Industrial manufacturing builds the machines that move the world. But after production, complexity begins. Products that must be supported not for 1 year, but for decades, 5, 15, even 50 years. And yet, the data needed for long-term service remains fragmented, incomplete, or invisible. Our system makes the invisible visible. Every product, every component, every subcomponent, instantly. Not top-down simplifications, but bottom-up intelligence, handling complexity at a scale that traditional systems cannot touch. Predicting repair material needs across every service site in the world, delivering parts and insights before delays ever happen. Full traceability across N-tier suppliers for products, components, or even subcomponents. Proof of authenticity without risking trade secrets. For manufacturers who must support their products for decades, working seamlessly with their B2B clients and trusted suppliers, this is clarity. This is resilience. This is the future of manufacturing. We transform post-manufacturing complexity into efficiency, trust, and long-term intelligence.